Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great in your life wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel. And if you have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So this is your messages from your divine masculine to the divine feminine, DM to the DF, who are not in contact with each other, no contact zone. Okay, for the twin flame journey. So in this video I'm going to tell the messages from your divine masculine. What are the messages they want to say to the divine feminine? Then what are the blockages? What are the actions your divine masculine wants to take? Then what are the messages from the universe, and many more. I hope it help you out in some manner, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the collective general messages, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So let's start the reading. Let's see what are the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy. Every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. Okay. What are the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine, who are not in contact with each other? Please give me the messages which are important to deliver. What are the messages for the divine feminine from the divine masculine? I know I screw things up and honestly have no idea how to fix it. So they know that they have screwed things up, but they don't know how to fix the situation basically. Okay, they don't have the idea how to fix it. Okay, so you make me a positive person. So that's what they are saying to you, that you make me a positive person, divine feminines, and we will be together again. So your divine masculine is saying you that we will be together again. Is it possible to forgive and forget? Okay, let me see more. Any other message from the divine masculine? I feel badly for the way I treated you. You did not deserve that. Okay, so they know that they have treated you very badly, and they know that you did not deserve that. That's why they are saying that I know I screw things up, but I don't know how to fix it. There is something is still missing for me, and I'm trying to figure out what that is. So they are trying to figure out that what is that thing which is missing inside them here. So these are the messages. Let me see more messages. There is a fly. So let's see more messages from the divine masculine. Please give me the messages. What are the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine? What does divine masculine wants to say? Wounded masculine, I have hurt you while I was hurting. So they hurt you, that's why they feel very bad here. They feel very bad for screwing things up, because they know that they were hurting you. Okay, because they were hurting themselves. They were hurt. I have hurt you while I was hurting, because they were the wounded masculine here. That's why they say that I know I have treated you wrong. You did not deserve that. Your picture brings me tears. So they are looking towards your pictures, divine feminines. Okay. Your picture brings me tears. So they are looking towards your picture here, divine feminines. Then there is, we are always together no matter what. That's why here I am having, we will be back together. We are always together no matter what. So they're trying to tell you that you both are together no matter what, and we will be back together here again. I feel so much joy with you. It's like I am a kid again. I am stepping up to the places and making big life changes. So they're working on their life and they're making the big life changes. I am going within so that I can understand myself. See, same message. Something is missing inside of me and I'm trying to figure it out. I'm going within myself and I'm trying to understand myself. So they are trying to understand themselves basically, that what is that thing which they don't know about themselves. And here I'm having, you have no idea how much I love you. Beautiful. You have no idea about how much I love you. Beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see more messages from your divine masculine. You bring peace to me. You are always ready to help me. You are always ready to help me. You make me smile and you never give up on me. You love me the way nobody can else love them. Here, you make me smile. You never give up on me. So these are the messages which I'm getting for you from the divine masculine. So they are going within themselves to find out what the thing that is missing inside them, and they know that they have treated you wrong. You did not deserve that, but they don't know whether you are going to forgive them or not. Okay, let me see more messages from this deck. Manifestation. I just cut it out. So maybe divine feminines, you are doing manifestations, or the divine masculine are doing manifestations. Self-respect. Wow. Self-respect and spiritual maturity. Two messages are here. Bottom of the deck I'm having yin yang, twin flame. There is love. I'm not going to take these two cards. Okay. So you are knowing now your self-respect here, Aquarius. You are knowing your, maybe there is an Aquarius, but I used to do Aquarius reading, so that's a reason why I'm telling the Aquarius. Self-respect is here. You know what is self-respect. Now you are learning to respect yourself first. And there is spiritual maturity which is coming for you, and there is love. You are loving yourself. Self-love is here. You are having a lot of love for yourself here. Let me see any other message for this twin flame reading. Forgiveness. So you are learning to forgive here. Forgiveness is here. So you are learning how to forgive. Forgiveness is here, and that's beautiful because you are learning how to forgive. Let's see messages from the twin flame tarot deck. What are the messages for this reading? Please give me the messages for this reading, twin flame journey, which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Acceptance and astral experiences. Acceptance, the art of acceptance, accepting yourself and everyone in universe. Beautiful. So now you're learning the art of acceptance. Okay, here you're learning your each and everyone how to accept in the universe, and there is astral experiences, nighttime journeys and meetings. So maybe during your sleep you are meeting your divine counterpart. Okay, maybe in your dreams you both are meeting here. Any other message? Okay. Denial. Are you in denial of something here? So this is the message which I'm getting. Are you in denial of something? Okay. And here I'm having karma. Soon you are going to receive your good karma. Very beautiful message. Soon you are going to receive your good karma. There is guidance. Pay attention to signs. Okay, maybe you're looking, you are getting some signs and synchronicities. Okay, that's the divine communication. The divine is trying to communicate to you. Let me see. What are the blockages for this reading? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver for this reading. What are the messages for this reading? What are the blockages you want me to deliver? Okay, too many. Please give me the blockages which I need to deliver for this reading. They are getting too many. I'm getting too many. Okay. No. Please give me the blockages for this reading which I need to deliver. Unpredictable. Needy, egoistic. So there are three blockages which I'm getting for you. This is unpredictable. So either divine feminines, you are unpredictable, or the divine masculine is unpredictable, but there is someone who is unpredictable. There is egoistic. So someone is having ego here, egoistic is here. Then there is needy. So someone is needy here. So these are the blockages which you are having in your twin flame journey. Let's see what are the messages from the universe to the divine feminines. What are the messages for divine feminines from the universe? Please, universe, give me the messages. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver to the divine feminines. Too many. Okay. Surrender to the divine timing and let go of the control issues. Okay, surrender to the divine, because this is a divine journey, so things will happen according to the divine journey. You cannot do anything, only except you can do your inner work, you can do your healing, you can work on your soul purpose, but things will happen according to the divine timing. Then there is learn to forgive yourself and others, and here I was having learning to forgiveness. Okay, so learn to forgive yourself, learn to forgive others too. So forgiveness is an important message for you. There is listen and sharpen your intuitive skills. Okay, try to learn and listen to your intuitions. Work on raising your self-worth. Spend some time helping others. There is build on your inner strength. So you need to build your inner strength here. You deserve to be loved for who you are. That's why there was self-acceptance here. Acceptance. You need to first accept yourself here. Divine feminines, you need to first accept yourself. There is unplugged from the world for a day. So if you're working non-stop, the message is that you need to unplug from the world for one day and take rest. Beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages. 1 minute. What are the messages from other decks for this twin flame journey. Okay, let's see what are the messages. Please give me the messages for this reading which I need to deliver. What are the messages for this reading? Sudden wealth, community, and mature woman. So community is working with you here, divine feminines, and you are becoming mature women, and there is sudden wealth which is coming for you. Abundance is coming for you, and there is there is a mature woman who is involved here in your situation. So there are two meanings of this card. Either this woman is involved in your situation, this can be your karmic. Okay, so either this is your karmic or the karmic one who is dealing with, and the second meaning of this card is you are becoming more mature than before. Now you're becoming mature woman here. So these are the messages from this deck. Let's see what are the messages. Thank you for giving the messages from the angels. Please, angels, give me the messages for this reading. Friendship and union. Transformation. Clear, cancel and release. Opportunity and change. And there is holy love. Beautiful messages. So there are friendship and unions which are coming for you here, divine masculine or the divine feminine, whoever is watching this video. There is opportunities and change which are coming for you. New opportunities are coming for you here. There is transformation which is taking place here. And clear, cancel and release anything which don't serve your highest good. And this is the holy love, the divine love I told you. And that's beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see more messages from the angels and ancestors. Any other message? Bask in joy and light. Summer is here. There is magic guardian. Unlock the magic within yourself. And there is hermit card. Retreat and recharge. Okay, so that's why the same message is here from the universe too, that take a break from the universe, from the world for one day and recharge your soul, recharge yourself. There is a guardian angel. Maybe you are finding some feather here. You can signs and synchronicity. That's why the message is the guidance is here. Pay attention to the signs because divine is trying to communicate to you. Okay, you are not alone. There is a guardian angel who is there with you here. And there is elder. Move beyond your ancestral patterns. So beautiful messages here. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see messages from the angels. More dancing with angels. What are the messages? Akashic records. What are the messages? Connecting with the angels. Okay. So see, same message is here that angels are trying to communicate with you. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. So yes, angels are trying to communicate with you. Maybe you find feather or the number synchronicities. So guidance is here for you. An angel and divine is trying to communicate with you. Angels are trying to communicate with you through signs and symbols. Acknowledge their presence. Pay heed to angelic signs and their sublime messages. So maybe you can getting the signs and number synchronicities here. There is Akashic records. Your every thought, intent, words and deeds are being recorded in the Akashic records. Angels wants you to be mindful and encourage you to entertain good thoughts. Speak good words and do good deeds. So beautiful message here. Thank you, angels, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the romantic oracle deck. This is my handmade deck. What are the messages for this reading? Work on your passion. There is finances and careers which are affecting your journey. Healing family issues. Forgive your parents here. Healing family issues. Forgive your parents. Finance and careers factors are affecting here. That's why your divine masculine was saying that they are working on their life career changes here. Work on your passion. And there is soulmate here. So maybe you are dealing with your soulmate here. And there is a karmic relationship. So maybe some of you are dealing with the karmic relationships and some of you are dealing with a soulmate. Okay, either you are dealing with soulmate or karmic relationships, or your twin flame is the divine masculine is dealing with karmic relationship or a soulmate relationship. And karmic relationships are triggers and lessons helping in soul growth, soul teacher. See, calling in your soulmate. Express your love. You need to express your love. And there is honeymoon here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having engagement. So many of you are going to get engaged here. Beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the next steps divine masculine wants to take towards divine feminine. Please give me the next steps. What are they thinking to take the next steps towards divine feminine? What are the next steps? Wow, these three wants to come out. 10 of Pentacles, Empress, and the Ace of Cups. And see what is here. The Lovers. Okay, let it be. Okay, so these three wants to come out here. So they want to create abundance of everything. They want to offer you a cup which is full of emotion, and they see you as an empress. But let me shuffle it again. What are the next steps divine masculine wants to take towards the divine feminine? What are the next steps divine masculine wants to take? Please give me the next steps. What does divine masculine wants to take the next step? They know that you are not opening up, you are not giving your energy. What are the next steps divine masculine wants to take? Your guards are up, you're in a defensive modes. Divine feminines, you are in a defensive modes. You are not giving your energy to the divine masculine. Here, Emperor, because they left you out in cold. See, again the same messages is here. Both Emperor and the Empress is here. Again, your divine counterpart and the divine your masculine and the feminine both are here. They want to create 10 of Pentacles, abundance of everything. And they're gaining strength to approach you here. They're gaining the confidence to approach you because they know that they left you out in cold in the past. Here, can you see 5 of Pentacles and 5 of Swords? There were a lot of conflicts with you in the past. They left you out here in the past. Maybe because of the third party situation. Here 3 of Pentacles and 10 of Wands. But they are releasing all the burdens which they are carrying on. And because of this past situation, your guards are up high. Seven of Wands and Four of Pentacles. You are not ready to open up. Maybe you are financially stable and grounded. You know how to manage your finances. Queen of Pentacle and Queen of Swords. And you are emotionally unavailable here. You are someone who knows this truth. That's why your guards are up. But they are gaining the strength, the confidence here, the strength card. They want to create abundance of everything with you here. Ten of Pentacles. They see you as an empress and they are the emperor here. Emperor and the empress both are here. Wow. Thank you. Let's see the signs. Before seeing the signs, let's see what are the emotions they are going through. This is a new deck. Let's see what are the signs which they are going through, which are they right now. Enjoyment, ecstasy, excitement, desire, surprise, glee and ilex. So they are in an enjoyment state here. They want to give you surprise. They are very excited here. And they are feeling very jealous if you are with any other karmic one. And they hate that thing because you are the love of their life. Okay, they are feeling jealous because maybe you are with someone else or they are with someone else, or you both are not together. Because of that they're feeling very jealous and they hate that. Why are you both not together here? There is delightful here, humiliation and melancholy. They know that they have treated you wrong. Okay, that's why they are feeling very much that thing, but they want to feel joy, enjoyment, surprise you and all. So now let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. What are the signs you want me to deliver? They can be here Aquarius. See, I told Aquarius. There can be an Aries. What are the signs? They can be a Pisces here. They can be a Capricorn. What are the signs for this reading? Please give me the signs. They can be a Sagittarius here. What are the signs? They can be a Cancer. What are the signs for this reading? What are the signs? What are the signs? No, that's it. Okay, let me add more signs. Elements, signs and the date of month and the day. So they can be a Cancer here. See, Cancer is coming again. So they can be a Cancer here. Too many. What are the signs for this reading? They can be a Pisces here. Can you see Pisces is coming out again? So they can be a Pisces. Wow. They can be an Aries here. Okay, strong Aries, Pisces and Cancer. They can be a water sign. They can be a fire sign here. They can be a Gemini. And your person can born on Wednesday or Thursday, or you are born on Wednesday or Thursday. So they can be in Aquarius, Libra. They can be a Libra here. They can be an Aquarius here. Any other sign? They can be earth and air. They can be a Leo here. They can be an October baby. earth sign, water and fire, water and earth. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with or you have in your chart. Okay, thank you. Let's add some charms for your reading. See, again the Gemini is coming. Okay, just fell out. Gemini was there. Then there is Libra here. I hope it visible for you. Libra is here. Then there is Aquarius here again. There can be a Pisces. See, Pisces is here again. There is a Taurus. And there can be a Virgo here. Okay. There is an owl here in this reading. So your intuitions are trying to guide you, and there is an owl in pair here. Can you see? I'll show you like this. So you both are very intuitive right now, divine feminines and the divine masculine. There are two owls. So your intuition is right now very much high. There is a big clove leaf. So this is the good luck, good fortune here, which is waiting for you. There are two good leaves, clove leaves is here. So good fortune, good luck is here. There is a butterfly here. I'll show you like this, a small butterfly. So transformation is taking place for you. You are becoming more transformed than before. There are angel wings. Okay. There are angels with you who are supporting you here. Can you see there are 2-3 angel wings which I am getting here for you. So there are different angels who are with you. You are not alone. There are angel wings. There is a small tortoise that says this is also very good, very fortunate. Slow and steady wins the race. Then there is a flower in pair again in twin flame. There are two flowers. You both are blooming like a flower here. Then there is tree. There is 3 tree. So you there is someone who is dealing with a karmic one. Can you see there are 2 copper tree and there is, yes, that's right, the horn was there, and this was the car horn. I know that, but still that's an indication for me. Someone is dealing with the karmic here. Either divine feminines, you are dealing with the karmic one, or the divine masculine, but someone is dealing here with the divine masculine and the divine feminine. Someone is dealing with the karmic one. So yes, these are the signs, lucky charms, I can say that, for you for this reading. I hope it helped you out in some manner. So this was your reading. This was your reading, and this was your messages from your divine masculine to the divine feminine. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, healing, light and happiness to all of you who are watching this video. Take care of yourself, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself, and if you have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Okay, take care of yourself and see you soon.